Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today we'll be discussing how to remove the shower drain stopper. I am going to show you how to properly remove a bathtub drain stopper. For this, you're going to need a tool. Now, pull firmly out and up at the same time to remove your drain stopper. And that's your drain stopper. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you remove a bathroom drain stopper.